Stop scrolling. What if I told you the reason you feel broke, tired, and stuck is not because you don't earn enough? It's because you're unknowingly selling your life, piece by piece. Every coffee, every random order, every just this once purchase is quietly taking away hours of your life. And the worst part? You don't even notice it. But today, that changes. Look closely at your life. You wake up, already tired. You go to work, even when you don't feel like it. You deal with stress, pressure, expectations. And at the end of the day, you try to reward yourself. Food, shopping, scrolling, spending. It feels small, harmless. But over time, this becomes a cycle. Work, stress, spend, repeat. And slowly, without realizing, you start living just to survive the next day. Here's the truth that most people avoid. Your salary is not free money. It is the price of your time, energy, mental peace, and sometimes even your health. So when you spend money carelessly, you are not losing cash. You are losing hours of your life. If you earn 500 rupees per hour, and you spend 1000 rupees, that's 2 hours of your life gone. Forever. From today, pause before every purchase, and ask, is this worth my life energy? Not, do I want it? Not, can I afford it? But, is this worth a part of my life? Track every expense for 7 days. And you'll see something shocking. It's not the big expenses, it's the small, repeated habits draining your life. Remove what adds zero real value. Ask, did this truly make me happy? Or was it just a temporary escape? If it's temporary, cut it. If it truly matters, keep it. When you stop wasting money, you don't feel restricted. You feel powerful. Because now, you save more, you stress less, you control your life. The real goal is financial independence. A life where you are not forced to work, you choose how to spend your time. At the end of your life, you won't remember the random things you bought, the money you wasted. You will remember the time you had, the life you lived. Your money, or your life. Choose carefully.